Sage, come here.
So much.
Come here, Sage. You're gonna be on TV show. Come here.
Just so much.
Come here. Oh. Oof.
How's your coffee?
Hello, YouTube. And whoever's watching, hopefully my brother is. But here's my puppy, Sage. She is little and bratty. Hello.
This journey to freedom is nothing but a way for him to enter this country by using you and your son.
This is the
I
puppy.
have lived with him for 30 years.
Rescued from Walmart.
Nothing changes that.
Here where I am, so here's a little puppy who rescued.
No,
This changes it.
no.
Zelda,
I
come here.
don't believe it.
Then you
Come
are
here,
lying
Zelda.
to yourself.
Zelda,
You
look.
have to know the truth deep down. You
Zelda.
want-
Zelda.
Yes, you allow
Look.
him
Look
to
at the
lie
camera.
to you.
Zelda, look.
Children.
Hey, look. Zelda.
My children.
Hello. Zelda. Zelda, where are you? I can't. Okay, that works. Here's Zelda. Can't really see her very well because she's bouncing around like a maniac. But here's Zelda. Okay. That's the best I can get of Zelda for now. Have a good day, everybody.